Let's look at a closer example. Let's look at a remote shell session, because that's really what you're using a lot today. And maybe you're like, oh, go ahead. Like, it's happening in real time, and it's good that you didn't notice. So there is no data replication. You don't have a temporary table where data is stored in a hashed version. No, like there are no changes to your database. So nothing. You basically have Hoop sitting as a proxy in front of your database that developers or anybody connecting to the database goes through it. And it's gonna, when data is coming out, it's running through the machine learning algorithm, redacting, wrapping it back into the protocol, and send the request, sending the output to the client. And yeah, you can't even notice because it's so fast. That's a very unique solution, and a lot of that reminds me of one of our customers, a big fintech. They had their database logs enabled so they could track and be compliant with fintech regulations. It's banks, they have 400 engineers. And that was adding a big load to their database. And they were almost like having 50% of their cloud costs with the database being audits, as opposed to like actual business processing. And when they implemented Hoop, they basically took all that off.